Hi guys, this is Teacher Party. Like, subscribe, download the videos, share my channel with everyone that you think might get help from this. Let's just aim for the distinction. So I just want us to do the gross profit margin. So the gross profit margin is the gross profit, which is the sales minus the cost of sales, divided by sales times 100. What I've noticed in the question papers, they fuse the profitability ratios together. So, but I just want to do them line by line in terms of introduction so that when they fuse them in the question paper, you are able to relate. Okay, so what I'm going to share with you is not my work. This is New Era Accounting Grade 12, a textbook I highly recommend. If you are doing matric, it makes life easier. We've tried it with my students, and many schools, many prestigious schools use this textbook, and it works wonders. So I definitely recommend New Era, especially the latest editions. So please get that for maximum practice. So this is their work. I put a disclaimer. This is not my intellectual property. I don't have rights to this. It's their work. So, but I'm just sharing since it's a resource I use on a daily basis and encouraging you to buy. Okay, now that I've put the disclaimer, this one is task 4.28. Okay, so they give you information for 2 years for comparative. So guys, when you're doing ratios, you'll be given comparative information, which is information for 2 years. So it's sales, cost of sales, operating expenses, operating profit, net profit before tax on sales. So the first thing they say, calculate the markup for both years. And they say, calculate the gross profit on sales for both years. Okay, so A and B, they're interlinked. A and B, they're interlinked. So what we would do is calculate A, which is the markup for both years. We'll use the gross profit markup. Okay, sorry. It's amplified, so you can't. Okay. Markup for both years. So remember the formula. It's your, maybe let's copy the formula. So what is the sales? It's 6.2 million. Minus 4.2 million. Which equals to 2180 Okay. Just a moment. Just a moment. I needed to attend to my daughter. Snap the file. Okay. So for gross profit, it will be x equals to 35%. It's 35%. Now the question that asked you, it said calculate the markup. So gross profit, the denominator is sales. Markup, the denominator is the cost of sales. So it's your gross profit to cost of sales percentage. So for this purpose of the exercise, I'm just going to calculate the the gross profit as a percentage of sales. Which year is this? It's 2002. Five 5.8 million. $15.20. Excuse my daughter, guys. Like 320. You've got 8%. Okay, so that is right according to the memo. So unfortunately, you can't see it. I've got a big textbook I use, which is a teacher guide. As a teacher, I encourage you to buy it, not as a student, because then you're gonna do the other thing. I should calculate the gross profit on sales. So that's the percentage they want you. So we are in fact answering B. Because the first one, it has to do with cost of sales. I'm gonna do a separate video on that one. Like, share, subscribe. Goodbye.